Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Jaguar XF. To begin, always make sure your smart key is securely inside the vehicle's cabin. Next, firmly press and hold the brake pedal with your right foot. This is a crucial safety step before engaging the engine. Finally, locate the engine start/stop button, typically found on the center console or dashboard, ready for the next step. With your foot still firmly on the brake pedal, press the engine start/stop button just once. You will hear the engine crank for a brief moment, typically less than 2 seconds, before it smoothly comes to life. Once the engine is running steadily, you can gently release the brake pedal. This sequence ensures a proper and safe ignition every time you get behind the wheel. If your Jaguar XF doesn't start immediately, there are a few quick checks. First, verify that your smart key battery isn't low. A fresh battery often resolves issues. Second, confirm the gear selector is firmly in park or neutral, as the vehicle will not start in any other position. Lastly, ensure you are pressing the brake pedal with adequate force, as a light touch might not register. A common reason for starting difficulties is a low smart key battery. If your vehicle struggles to recognize the key, it might be time for a replacement. Most Jaguar XF smart keys use a CR2032 coin cell battery, which is readily available. Replacing it is a straightforward process, but always refer to your owner's manual for the exact steps and any specific details for your model year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.